Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to activate AirPlay on LG Smart TV. Now, you don't need activate your AirPlay, always is activate. If you don't have AirPlay in your LG Smart TV, it's because your TV is too old. Example, my TV. This TV is too old. I have this TV maybe 10 or 12 years ago. Okay, it's all time. It's a lot of time. Okay, I have another TV in my living room, and this is a new TV. I bought this TV the last year. Okay, this TV has a AirPlay. When I use AirPlay here, he always find that TV. Example, touch here and always find my TV. This TV is my living room, but not is this TV. Now, how can I watch my iPhone screen or my iPad screen in my old TV with this? This is my HDMI cable. Now can you see? I connect this in my mobile. This is an adapter. Okay, with this can I put my HDMI cable on iPhone and open my HDMI port here. Can you see? And now I watch my mobile here. Okay, can you see? Example, I want open Pokemon Go, and this is my Pokemon Go. With this can I watch Netflix or TikTok, social media, or whatever I want. Okay, this is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later.